So, guys, in this session, we'll discuss and we'll see about the hybrid inheritance type. So, basically, hybrid inheritance is a combination of two or more than inheritances. So, in our real world example, or we can say in real world projects, most of the time we need to implement this hybrid inheritance because when if you implement single or any other inheritance, so might be the case your requirement will be not fulfilled at that time. So you need to use, in some cases you need to use hybrid inheritance, like the combination of two inheritance type or more than two inheritance type. So let's see with an example, and let's see this particular diagram of a hybrid inheritance type. So here, as you can see, I have a base class and I have a derived one class is there. So this base is a parent class and this derived one is a child class. So if you look only these two classes, this inheritance is called single inheritance because we have only two classes and one class is extending other class. One is parent and one is child. It is very you can say it's very simple to identify these particular classes. But if you go further and if you see these three classes, derived 1, derived 2 and derived 3. So here you can see like that, if you suppose there is no base class. So if you see derived 1, derived 2 and derived 3 class, so derived 1 is a parent class of derived 2 and derived 1 is a parent class of derived 2 also. For both these child classes, we have one parent class. So this type of inheritance is called hierarchical inheritance, which is supported by Java. So both kind of we can say both kind of inheritance is supported by Java. This entire is a hierarchical and this one is a single inheritance. So there is one more we can say inheritance type is there. So if you see this base class, okay, then we have this drive class, okay, then again we have this drive 2 class here, okay. So we have three classes. If you see like that, if you see this diagram like that, so there are three classes. So basically this particular class, drive 2 class, has two parent, right? So this is called multi-level inheritance, where we have two parent classes level wise of a child class. In the same here, if you see this one, this particular class, drive 2 class, same like this class, it has two parent classes level wise. So it is, we can say this is also a multi-level inheritance type. So if we check the entire use case, this particular diagram, so we have three type of inheritance is there in this particular diagram. So it's a single inheritance, it's a hierarchical inheritance and it's a multi-level inheritance. So all of the three inheritance is supported by Java, and we can implement this particular example in Java using code also. So that might be a use case for your real-time project when you will do some project or when you will use inheritance concept at runtime. So you need to be very sure about like what kind of inheritance it is and how we can implement it. You should not be confused about the inheritance types and the implementation of it. So hybrid is basically what we have learned, the inheritance type. It's the combination of those inheritance. So if you know all of the inheritance basics very well, the hybrid inheritance is very very easy to implement it. There is no issue, and you can implement it simply. So that's it, the theory with the hybrid inheritance. In the next session, I will, for this particular example, I will do the coding part and I'll show you how you can do this using Java code. Thank you.